The difference between ABIT level 4 or IELTS level 4 and NQF 4 is the level of education. I think the biggest confusion over all the years is because both has got a 4 in it. Both is called whatever level 4. So ABIT level 4 is part of the NQF 1 framework. It is your last ABIT level, and it's equivalent to grade 9 standard 7. And NQF4 is equivalent to grade 12 standard 10. So if you think when you do ABIT, what normally happens, somewhere the confusion comes in, that the learners or sometimes even the HR will think that they are busy with matric or grade 12 or NQF4. So it's not. It is still far away. You are still busy with your basic education, and it's still a build up in getting to NQF4 or grade 12. NQF4 is also a full qualification, whereas ABIT level 4, most of the time, is your communication in English and your maths, and it's just the 2 subjects in preparation of accessing future learnerships. Many companies share these hurdles. Book a quick chat for answers for your site.